So what are you gonna name him?
I assign to you, Gosling. 0001.
Okay, that sucked. You gotta learn to make stuff up. Come on, find that woo inside you.
Searching.
Anything yet?
No.
Just have a little fun for once.
Gosling 0186. There. You see what I did? His numbering is out of sequence.
His name can't have numbers. It's like someone didn't even like him.
My name has numbers.
It's gotta be personal.
Personal.
Processing personal. Bright. Bill. Bright Bill. Is that satisfactory?
Bright Bill. Processing. Beep, beep, boop, boop. Satisfactory.